Hey everyone, Cheryl here. Welcome to the Brunch Master. Today let's learn how to make Goli Baje, a popular snack from Karnataka, also known as Mangalore Bajji or Mangalore Bonda. It's a fluffy, crispy fritter made with a spiced yogurt based batter. Let's look at the ingredients. All-purpose flour, that is Maida, 3 cups, rice flour, 1/4 cup, curd, 1 cup, sugar, 1/4 cup, plus 2 tablespoons, baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon, salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon approx, finely chopped green chillies, 3 to 4, finely chopped or grated ginger, 1 tablespoon, chopped curry leaves, 1 tablespoon, finely chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons, sunflower oil to deep fry the Goli Baje. Take a big ball and add Maida, rice flour, sugar, salt, baking soda, green chillies, ginger, curry leaves, coriander leaves, curd. Mix everything well using a clean hand, making sure there are no lumps. Add water little by little because we need a thick consistency. Keep mixing everything well until you see this texture. This should be the consistency. Batter should be smooth with no lumps. Cover and keep this for half an hour to 2 hours. After the batter has rested, give it a quick stir. To check if the oil is ready, drop a small amount of batter in the oil. If it sizzles and floats up to the top, then the oil is ready. Using your fingers or spoon, drop small portions of batter carefully. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry the Goli Baje until they turn golden brown, turning them occasionally to cook evenly. Serve hot Goli Baje with coconut chutney. Enjoy the snack. Let's meet once again with another interesting recipe. Until then, eat healthy, take care. Thank you for watching the video.